The name of chapter is Circle. Standard 9 CBSE. Subject Maths, okay? Now see, in this chapter what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about circle and term related to circle and some of its property. Three things we are going to learn. What do you mean by circle? Terms related to circle and some properties of those terms and circles. First of all, what is circle? Circle is the collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from fixed point. Fixed point is called center of the circle and fixed distance is called radius of the circle. Okay? So now I write the definition of circle. The collection of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Is called the collection of all points in a plane which are at equidistance from a fixed point is called circle. The fixed point is called center of the circle. The center of the circle and that constant distance or fixed distance from fixed point is called radius of the circle. Now see the figure. If I draw a circle, it is like this. Okay? This is a fixed point. We call it as a center of circle. And this fixed distance, OP is called R, radius. O is the center of the circle and OP is called radius of the circle. OP is R is called radius and O is the center of circle. Okay? Clear? Now in daily life we can see many objects which are round in shape. Clear? What are those? Bangles. Have you seen bangles? See, this bangle is circular in shape. Wheel of a car or scooter. Right? Rings. Okay? Keys. Key rings होती है ना? Key rings and many more things. This circle divide the plane. This circle you see divide the plane into three parts. Number one, inside the circle, on the circle and outside the circle. Clear? Inside of circle is called interior of circle. Circle matlab on the circle. The points, set of points on the circle. And outside the circle matlab outside of the circle. That is called exterior of the circle, okay? So I can say circle divide the plane into three parts. Number 1. Inside the circle, called interior of circle. If you take any point, this is a circle, O is the center. If you take P is any point on the circle, then OP is less than R. If OP less than R, matlab it implies P belongs to interior of circle, okay? Second, circle. Matlab, if OP is equal to R, then it implies P is on the circle. Okay? And third is outside of circle. Called exterior of circle. Matlab if P is somewhere here, then this OP is greater than R. So if OP is greater than R, that implies P belongs to exterior of circle. This signage belongs to. P belongs to exterior of circle. P lies on the exterior of circle. So circle divide into three parts. And the circle and its interior together make a circular region. Circle and interior of circle together. Interior of circle together. Called a circular region. Circular region. Okay? Clear? Now we are talking about the terms related to circle. First one is chord. What do you mean by chord? Second is diameter. What do you mean by diameter? Why I have written both together? Because chord and diameter are related with each other. A biggest chord of circle we call it as a diameter. Now what is the chord? The line segment. Joining any 2 points of circle. Joining any 2 points of circle. Points of circle is called chord of circle. See in the figure, suppose this is a circle, okay? This is a center O. Now suppose A and B are any 2 points of a circle and the line segment joining these A and B. So here AB is called chord of a circle. Any 2 points of circle. You join them by a line segment, then AB is a chord. Okay? And if I don't put bar over AB, then it represents the length of the chord. Chord के लिए ऊपर बार रखना जरूरी है. Okay? Now, what do you mean by diameter? The chord passing through the center of the circle. Suppose this is my PQ is a chord, but it is a special chord passing through center of the circle. Then it is called the diameter of circle, okay? So the chord passes through the center. the center of circle. Chord passes through the center of circle. Is called diameter. Diameter of a circle. And there are many diameters we can construct, okay? In figure, PQ. In figure, PQ is a diameter. And you see, the diameter is a biggest chord. Diameter is the biggest chord. Diameter is a biggest chord. इससे बड़ा chord होता नहीं है. Okay? It is the biggest chord. And diameter is 2 times radius. Clear? See. PQ is OP plus OQ. So it is 2 times radius. Clear? So are you clear with chord and diameter? Now we are talking about arc. Okay? What do you mean by arc of circle? Suppose this is a circle. Okay? O is the center. PQ is a chord. Okay? Then in between मैं R ले लूँ तो this part curves this curve PRQ. This curve PRQ. We call it as a arc of a circle. It is a piece of circle. Piece of a circle. PRQ is a piece of a circle. Between piece of circle between 2 points P and Q. A piece of circle between 2 points of a circle is called an arc of circle. Okay. In figure, the longer one, suppose this is PRQ and this is PLQ. So, longer one, longer part is called major arc. So here PLR is major arc. And the smaller one, what is the smaller one? Smaller one is PRQ, is minor arc. Okay? And when diameter, I draw diameter, suppose a PQ, or suppose this PQ is a diameter. Okay? If PQ is diameter, then it divides the circle, circle into 2 arcs. It divides circle into 2 parts. Each part is called semicircle. What is called? Each part is called semicircle. Semicircle. So here both arcs are of equal length. Right? Both arcs are of equal length. Each part of the circle we call it as a semicircle. And the length of complete circle is called perimeter or circumference of the circle. Length of complete circle is called, what we call, perimeter or circumference of the circle. Perimeter or circumference of circle. Clear? Circumference of the circle. बराबर? First we are discussing about segment. Segment मतलब the region between a chord and either of its arc. The region between the chord and either of its arc. It may be major arc or minor arc. Each called segment. If it is with minor arc, it is called minor segment. If it is with major arc, it is major segment. Here also there are two types. Here also there are two types. आर्क में टू टाइप है, वैसे सेगमेंट में भी टू टाइप. वन इज माइनर सेगमेंट, another is major segment. देखो, माइनर सेगमेंट मतलब if I draw a circle here, okay, and I draw circle here also. Look here. If this is a circle with center O, okay, and suppose PQ is a chord. So जो ऊपर का है ना, वो है major segment, right? This is a major segment, okay, and this is a minor segment. Clear? This is a minor segment, right? and ऊपर वाला है वो मेजर सेगमेंट. ओके, एक ही फिगर में दोनों बता दिए मैंने. ओके, ये फिगर ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट. द region between chord and either of its arc is called segment. So region between chord and minor arc is minor segment, and region between chord and major arc is called major segment. Are you clear? Now we are talking about sector. What is the difference between segment and sector? Segment is region between chord and arc, and sector is region between arc and two corresponding radii. Okay, so the region between arc and two radii joining the centers. Joining the centers. Center to the end points of arc. End points of an arc. Each called sector. Here also there are two sectors, minor sector and major sector. Suppose I draw a circle, okay, big circle. This is a center. Suppose this my PQ is an arc. This PQ is an arc. Then the end point of arc are joined with center. O is a center. Then this portion, this region between arc and two radii, this portion is called sector, but this is with minor arc, so it is called minor sector. And ऊपर वाला जो है वो major sector. Clear? Clear? So are you clear about sector? Major arc corresponds major sector and minor arc correspond minor sector. Okay? Major arc correspond major sector and minor arc correspond minor sector. If two arcs are equal, that is each are a semicircle, right? Then both segments and both sectors become the same. Clear? Suppose this is a circle with center O, and suppose AB is a diameter. Then each part is called semicircle. So here both the segments and both the sector are same. Clear? Because arc and two radii is also this semicircle, matlab this part, and chord and arc also subtend same region. So if two arcs are equal, here both arcs are equal, arc APB and arc AQB, both are equal. Okay. That is, each one is a semicircle. That is, each one is a semicircle. Then both segment and both sector are same. Both sector becomes the same. Sector बोलो या segment बोलो, एक ही रहेगा. Becomes the same. And each is called semicircular region. What is called? Semicircular region. Here, this region is called, each one, this upper side or lower side, each one is called semicircular region. What is called? Semicircular region. Clear? Clear? That complete your different terms of circle. This is basic. I have given the introduction of circle, and here I have discussed about circle, different terms of circle, and next time we are going to learn their properties also. Some properties I have included in discussion, but some special properties and theorems we will do it in next lecture. Okay.